Alright, so let's work through some more electron configuration examples. Now, if you've watched the previous videos, you should by now have a handy-dandy cheater chart that looks something like this. It probably has 4 other colors, but please realize that, at least on this example, the pink is the s orbital, the green is the d orbital, P is the orange, and the F is the blue on mine. And please remember that these lovely marker numbers are the principal energy level numbers. So, if a question asks us for the electron configuration of potassium, potassium is K, so first you want to find where you're going. We're going to K. But please remember, whenever we are writing any electron configuration, we're going to start at the beginning. And the beginning is always number 1. So we start at the hydrogen box. Now, remember, we always work left to right, so so this box would be 1s1, 1s2. Now, since I passed through both 1s2s, I don't have to write them down separate. I can write them down together as 1s2 because it was the 1, period 1, color for the s, and I went through 2 boxes. That's the exponent. So I continue, and I get to atomic number 3. Well, now I'm in a new energy level, so I'm going to write it down. Write stuff down as you pass. I'm in the s's, so I write down the s. And I'm going to go through 2 of those boxes. When I follow the number on over to 5, I'm still in energy level 2, but it's a new color, so I have to write it down. So I'm in the 2 P's, and potassium is none of those 6 boxes, so I will pass through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the exponent is 6. And I follow the number. I come down to sodium and magnesium. Now they are the 3 S's. I am not stopping at either of them, so I write down 3s2 because I'm going on through. And I follow 12 over the 13. That gives me I'm still in energy level 3, but it's a new color, so I have to write it down. So if you change numbers or change colors, you write. So we have 3p, and that's not it, not it, not it, not it, not it, not it. I went through 6 not it's, so it's 3p6. And I follow the number, and I come down to potassium. Potassium is energy level 4. It's in the color for S. And I'm only going 1 box in. So if I take 2 plus 2, that's 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 6 more is 18, plus 1 is 19. Notice, if I add the exponents, it adds to the atomic number for that element. So if I go farther, or go back some to sulfur, sulfur isn't as far as potassium, so I'm not going to have to write as much, but I still always start as hydrogen. I am not stopping the 1s's, so again, I write 1s2. I'm not stopping in the 2s's, so I write 2s2. I'm not even stopping in the 2p's, so I write 2p6. I come down, I'm now in the 3s's, those aren't what I'm looking for, so 3s2, and then I get to the 3p's. Now, I am stopping here, I'm stopping 4 boxes in, so I would write 3p4. Again, if I add the exponents, it adds to 16, which is the atomic number for sulfur, telling me, aha, I did it right. So if I go to cobalt, cobalt is in the D's, and it doesn't matter. I still follow the rules. As I pass a number or change colors, I write stuff down. So I pass the 1s's, so I write 1s2. Go back, I'm not stopping at the 2s's, so I write 2s2. I'm not stopping in the 2p's, so I write 2p6. I'm also not stopping in the 3s's, so I write 3s2. I'm not stopping in the 3p's, so I write 3p6 because I went through all 6. Now, I'm not stopping in the 4s's, but since I'm changing colors here and numbers, I have to write down my 4s2. And then I follow what we have written. So these are the 3Ds. And I'm going into the 3Ds. So 3D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And at 3D7, I have cobalt. So there's 3 more examples for electron configurations using your handy dandy cheater chart.